Market participants are speculating on the prospects of a rate hike in light of the remark from U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen. She said that rate hikes may be needed to avoid the economy overheating. Obviously, the Federal Reserve will not tighten monetary policy in 2021 and 2022. Nevertheless, the market expressed its stance on such prospects by pushing stock indexes down. Besides, investors decided to benefit from safe haven assets, thus prompted the US dollar's advance. There are other events taking place this week which are setting the stage for the US dollar's appreciation. Now let's watch a regular video calendar on InstaForex TV channel. This week will be also crucial for the pound sterling, as traders are anticipating policy decisions of the Bank of England. The central bank is widely expected to keep the key interest rate and the bond buying program unchanged. Last month, such rhetoric put pressure on the British currency. Now traders are likely to respond by opening long positions on the sterling, bearing in mind a rapid pace of mass vaccination and evidence of the economic recovery in the UK. In the previous monetary policy update, the Bank of England stated that it would not tighten its policy, at least until the time when it finds out clear evidence of substantial progress in regaining the previous capacity utilization and achieving steady inflation rates at around the 2% target. Meanwhile, consumer inflation in the UK is picking up steam. The CPI for April will be unveiled on May 19. The consensus suggests inflation acceleration to 1.4% in annual terms. At the moment of opening the American trade, investors will get to know a weekly update on unemployment claims in the United States. Traders will attach importance to this report, as it will be followed by official non-farm payrolls. Last week, the number of initial jobless claims sank to the lowest level since the pandemic outbreak. Experts project further contraction in the number of unemployed Americans in the week ended May 2nd. Likewise, the market expects a further decline in continuing claims for unemployment benefits. Such data should encourage the market in anticipation of the government employment report for April. On early Friday, investors will find out about changes in a trade balance of the export-reliant Chinese economy. The fresh trade balance report should confirm that the second-largest global economy is going through a robust recovery stage following the coronavirus-induced crisis. So, evidence of improvement in China's trade balance is sure to boost appetite for risk. Hence, risky assets will gain ground. For the whole trading week, all eyes have been on the long-awaited employment data. The forecast is very optimistic. The US private and public sectors are expected to add 950,000 jobs, excluding farm employees. Looking back on the March data, the report was neglected by traders, though it looked to stunning employment growth. The market is worried that massive stimulus programs from President Joe Biden might entail adverse consequences. Indeed, the budget spending is expanded because the US economy is being pumped up with cash. On Friday, we will see how traders will respond to the non-farm payrolls for April. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.